Welcome to the second part of the first chapter of Principles of Marketing. Our first chapter was Marketing, Creating Customer Value and Engagement. This is the second part of this tutorial. In the first part of the tutorial, we have discussed about the definition of marketing and the first step of marketing process, which is understanding the marketplace and customer needs. In this tutorial, we are going to show from the second step, that is design a customer value driven marketing strategy. After understanding the consumers as well as the marketplace, the marketing manager should design a customer value driven marketing strategy. In that case, we need to apply the marketing management. What is marketing management? Marketing management is a art and science of choosing target markets and building profitable relationship with them. As a marketing manager, your aim should be to engage, keep and grow target customers by creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. And if you want to design a winning marketing strategy, you have to focus on two issues. The first issue is what customers will you serve? That means who are the customers of your offerings? That means as a marketing manager, you have to find out the target market. And the second focus should be on how can we serve these customers best. That means you have to identify what's our value proposition. So as a marketing manager, in the process of marketing management, we need to find out the target market and we have to design the value proposition to design the customer value driven marketing strategy. Under the second step of marketing process, now we are going to discuss about the selecting customers to serve. Selecting customers to serve. The company must first decide whom it will serve. To do that selection, the marketing manager should divide the market into segments of customers. That is called market segmentation. Then the manager should select which segments it will go after. That means that is called target marketing. So for the purpose of selecting customers, the marketing manager should do two things. One is market segmentation and the second one is target marketing. As a marketing manager, you cannot serve the all customers. That's why the company wants to select only customers that can serve well and profitably. Ultimately, marketing managers must decide which customers they want to target and on the level, timing and nature of their demand. That is why marketing management is customer management and demand management. Now we are going to discuss about the choosing a value proposition. What is value proposition? Value proposition is the set of benefits or values a company promises to deliver to its customers to satisfy their needs. That means the benefits or values from the products or service is called the value proposition. Suppose one customer may ask himself, why should I buy the product of that brand? In that case, if the products or service of your company has a good value proposition, in that case they will choose your product. Otherwise, they will purchase the competitor's product. That is why, as a marketing manager, you have to design a strong value proposition which will provide satisfaction to them. And by this value proposition, the marketing managers can serve the target markets successfully. That means whenever your product has a good value proposition, that means your product is a differentiated product, unique product, and you will have a good position in the market. That's why value proposition is an essential issue you have to design for your products or service to capture the mind of customers. Now we are going to discuss about the marketing management orientations. As a marketing manager, you have to design a strategy that will engage the target customers and build profitable relationships with them. And for that purpose, there are 5 alternative concepts to design a good marketing strategy. The first concept is production strategy. Second one is product strategy. And the third concept is selling strategy. And the fourth concept, marketing strategy. And the fifth concept, societal marketing concepts. These are the 5 alternative concepts by which a marketing manager can design the strategies for marketing management. In the next slide, we will learn about the details about this concept. Production concept. Under this production concept, we believe that consumers will favor products that are available and highly affordable. Therefore, the organization should focus on improving production and distribution efficiency. That means under this idea or strategy, the company is going to focus on the production issues. But it's an oldest orientation or oldest concept to capture the market, because under this philosophy, you are going to emphasize on low labor cost, high production efficiency, and mass distribution. But if you only focus on production concept as a process of marketing management, in that case you are going to face marketing myopia. That means it's a problem for marketing management. That is why companies adopting this orientation run a major risk of focusing too narrowly on their own operations and losing the sight of the real objective. The main objective should be the satisfying the customer needs and building customer relationships. But as a marketing manager, if you only focus on the production issues like lowering the labor cost or production cost and high production efficiency and mass distribution, in that case you will fail to focus on the customer satisfaction or building customer relationships. The second concept, product concept. Under this concept, we believe that consumers will favor products that offer the most quality, performance and features. Therefore, the organization should devote its energy to making continuous product improvements. And in this case, if we only focus on product issues, then we may also face the marketing myopia. That means the problem of focusing only the product, not focusing on the satisfaction of the customers, as well as not focusing on the building relationship with customers. Because under this product concept, the managers may focus on the cheap and available product, but sometimes the customers may feel for the long-term relationships and they will expect satisfaction by getting higher value proposition. The third concept under the marketing management strategy is selling concept. Under this selling concept, we believe that consumers will not buy enough of the firm's product unless the firm undertakes a large scale selling and promotion effort. In this scenario, the company aim to sell what the company makes rather than to make what the market wants. That means without measuring the market demands, the company produces what they think that product will sell in the market, and after that the company try for the aggressive selling which will carry a high risk. That type of selling concept is done on poor assumptions. That's why it would not be a good decision to design the strategy based on selling concept. I mean large scale selling and promotion. The fourth concept is marketing concept, which is one of the best concept. Under this marketing concept or marketing philosophy, the marketing managers find out the target markets, then the company should determine the needs and wants of the target customers. After that, by designing a good value proposition, the company can satisfy the customer as well as the company can build a strong relationships. These are the issues under marketing concept. Here is a diagram which is comparing the two concepts. One is selling concept, another one is marketing concept. In the previous slide we have learned selling concept, and in this slide we are discussing about marketing concept. In the selling concept, the company follow the inside out process. I mean it starts with the factory, then focuses on the existing products. After that calls for heavy selling and promotion to obtain a profitable sales. That means it primarily focuses on getting short-term sales with little concern about who buys or why buys. On the other hand, marketing concept starts with the well-defined market, focuses on customer needs and integrates all the marketing activities that affect the customers. In turn, it will provide profits by creating relationships with the right customer based on customer value and satisfaction. That's why comparing to the selling concept, marketing concept is one of the best concept for marketing management. The fifth concept and one of the best concept under the marketing management orientation is societal marketing concept. Under this societal marketing concept, we believe that marketing strategy should deliver value to customers in a way that maintains or improves both the consumers and the society's well-being. And to ensure the society's well-being, we should focus on sustainable marketing as well as socially and environmentally responsible marketing. Marketing strategy should be focusing on the sustainability to preserve the ability of the future generations to meet their needs. That's why many leading business and marketing thinkers are now adopting the concept of shared value, which recognizes that societal needs, not just economic needs, only considering the profitability target will not provide you sustainability. That's why the concept of shared value focuses on creating economic value in a way that also creates value for society. That means if you want to ensure sustainability and environmental responsible marketing, you have to balance three considerations, which are company profits, consumer wants, and society's interest. If you can balance among these three parties, you can design a sustainable marketing to ensure sustainable practices in the business. Now we are going to discuss about the third step under the marketing process. The third step is construct and integrated marketing program that delivers superior value. And under this third step, we are going to learn about the marketing mix, product, price, place, promotion. Preparing an integrated marketing plan and program. The company's marketing strategy should determine the target customers. Then the company should design a good value proposition for the products or services for the target customers to ensure satisfaction as well as to ensure long-term customer relationships. And for that purpose, the company should focus on marketing mix. What is marketing mix? Marketing mix is the set of marketing tools the firm uses to implement its marketing strategy. Here we can see in the marketing mix, company should focus on product, price, place, promotion. So in the marketing mix, there are 4 P's. Those are product, price, place, and promotion. To deliver a good value proposition, the company must first create a neat, satisfying market offerings, and that offerings could be a product or services. After that, the company should decide how much it will charge for the offerings. That means there should be a decision on pricing. After that, the company should decide how it will make the offering available to target customers. That means the company should decide about the place. Finally, the company must engage target consumers, communicate about the offerings, and persuade consumers of the offer's merits. Marketing manager should adopt the promotion policies. First, company should adopt the product policy, after that pricing, then placing, and finally promotion. The company must blend each marketing mix tool into a comprehensive integrated marketing program that communicates and delivers the intended value to chosen customers. So whenever you are including all the issues, product, price, place, promotion in your strategy, in that case you are applying the integrated marketing program which will deliver the intended value to the target customers, and ultimately by this integrated marketing program you can achieve the long-term relationships with the customers by satisfying their needs and wants. Thank you. The remaining chapter will be discussed in the next video.